Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to share Safari tab groups with friends. I just open my Safari browser and I will move in my tabs and just tab on a new empty tab group. So I will create for my family. So I will just write my family and just save this family tab. So how to I will export in a family. So I will just move in my tabs. Here you will see the 8 tabs. I will just hold it and move the tab group. So just tap on it and select the family. So you will see the 8 will be minus and it will be 7 tabs are in recents. So you will see I will just it will be moved in my family. So here you will be also move, you will check the family. So just tap on it one by one and it will be lowered completely. Again open it and back, and here you will be see, and from here you will just share this icon and just add a contact and send it. So this is how to share a tab on family. So just tap to the contact of this and it will be loaded in message, and my tab will be shared with my family. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.